how to tell your seat on a plane. So for a small plane like this is 23. That's A, C, D. If you enter the plane.
No, my back there.
All right. Nikki, hurry up. Yeah, he's using the restroom. If you enter the plane, this is a small plane. That's the A seat right there by your right. The two other seats right here. This is C and this is D. This is especially for somebody that's like your first time on the airplane. You got, where's your bag? Come on, dude. So that's especially like, okay, right here, that is 20. So that's 20A, C, then D. Especially for somebody that. So like I was saying, if it's your first time on the plane, okay, don't panic. You've had situations where don't panic, because I've had situations where like you see situations where you sit like on the wrong seat and somebody comes in like, hey, this is my seat. That happens a lot to some people if it's like your first time.
You get up and get on my right seat. Why would I pay?
No, it's embarrassing sometimes, you know, because somebody just, yeah, it can be really embarrassing. So there are a lot of videos out there that you can watch if it's like your first time traveling, you know what I mean? Educate yourself. Watch tons of videos on like first time travelers, you know, and just know that so you don't get embarrassed. But like I said, mistakes are like inevitable, you know what I mean? But just do your own research, learn more about it before traveling. Oh, it's 6:32. Oh, my time still set like the Canadian.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Oh yeah.
I'll check when I'm downstairs.
That's what you have my hand. You got it?
Yeah. I'll take it down.
Oh yeah, come on.
You got it. You pull it. I got it. Hey, there's a bag right here. Let me grab that. What bag? This didn't need to be left up here. Oh.
Yeah, little bit. My little bit. Yeah, very good. Yeah, baby. My little baby is cold at the airport.